Digital Nomad Top 10 Location in Australia.
Sydney, Australia's largest city, offers a bustling urban lifestyle with numerous co-working spaces, tech communities, and a high standard of living. Melbourne, known for its art, culture, and coffee scene, Melbourne is a great place for creative digital nomads. Brisbane, with a warm climate and a growing tech scene, Brisbane offers a laid-back lifestyle and excellent co-working options along with easy access to beautiful beaches. Perth, Australia. Western Australia's capital city is known for its pristine beaches and outdoor activities. Adelaide, a quieter option with a lower cost of living. Gold Coast, Queensland. If you love beaches and surfing, the Gold Coast is a top choice. Byron Bay. This coastal town is popular among digital nomads for its relaxed atmosphere and creative community. Cairns, located in tropical North Queensland, Cairns is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Hobart, Tasmania. Tasmania's capital is perfect for those seeking a slower pace of life. It's a picturesque place with good internet connectivity. Darwin. If you're looking for a unique experience, Darwin offers a blend of urban and natural beauty.